These are the materials you'll need to make a mask. You need some tightly woven cotton, pins or clips. For the nose clips, some bendy material like a paper clip or gardening wire. For ties, elastic, string or shoelaces. And we highly recommend some fluffy fleece as nose padding. You'll also need a needle and thread or a sewing machine, some cutting tools to cut your materials, and a wooden skewer or rod or a quick turn. Cut your material to size, length of 24 inches, width of 8 inches, and you're going to wash and iron the fabric before you use it. You're going to create a hem all the way around the rectangle, start at the bottom, fold 1/4 inch and iron, fold 1/4 inch again and iron. Now repeat to the top, 1/4 inch iron, 1/4 inch iron, pin into place. Now we're going to do the sides, each time only 1/4 inch and iron once. Once you've done that to all 4 edges, you can then start to stitch. You can either do it by hand or you can use a sewing machine. You can sew all the way round the hem. Once you've done that, we recommend ironing to flatten the stitching. For the nose piece, cut approximately a 7-inch length of bendy wire and then twist the edges of the bendy metal so that they don't poke through the mask when you're wearing it. Fold your fluffy fleece material 9 by 3 inches in half to form a long tube and clip. Sew the long side together, you'll end up with a long looking tube which you'll then invert using a wooden rod or a quick turn. Feed the bendy metal into the fabric tube. Now fold the bottom of your rectangle upwards approximately 4 inches. Then fold the top of your rectangle downwards approximately 3 inches. Then place the flexible wire in your tube at the top underneath the top fold. Use pins and clips to hold it into position. Next, we're going to create 2 channels, one on the left and the right for our ties. Place your rod into position, fold over approximately 1 inch, clip into place. Remember to remove the rod. Repeat on the other side, fold over 1 inch, clip into place, remove the rod. Then stitch the first channel and then stitch the second channel. Cut away any excess material. Now, to make your life easier, we're going to tape your tie to a rod and push it firstly through the right channel downwards and then upwards through the left channel. You can use your elastic or shoelace or string. Now we're going to tie both ends together that come out of the top left and top right. We're going to use a reef knot, so right over left and left over right. Now just get some filter material and tuck it into your pouch. You can easily pull on your elastic so that your mask fits neatly to your face. Mission accomplished.